Hey guys, welcome to my channel. I am Janani Balaji and you're watching Beauty Bonkers. Welcome back to my channel. If you're not already subscribed to my channel, please take a moment to hit the red color subscribe button right underneath this video and also hit the bell notification so that you get notified every single time I upload. I'm sure you will not be disappointed. Now for today's video, we are gonna be reviewing the Mars Butter lipsticks. These are called the Mars Non-Transfer Smudge Proof Butter Smooth Lipstick, and these have been quite popular these days. So many people are reviewing it, so I thought maybe even I should sit down and review these lipsticks. I've been trying out these lipsticks for the past week or so, a week and a half, and I'm here to give you my honest opinion on these lipsticks. So if you're interested, then please keep on watching. Okay, if the area around my mouth looks a little weird, it's because I've swatched these lipsticks with and without makeup, and that's why my lips look like this. So I hope you don't mind that. So the first thing that I wanted to talk about is the price of these lipsticks. These retail for about rupees 349, but they are always on a discounted price on Amazon. I got all of my lipsticks from Amazon. I have 5 lipstick shades for you guys today, and I got it for about rupees 279 rupees on Amazon. And these lipsticks, they have a variety of shade ranges, over 20 plus shades. They have mostly deep toned colors, and they have quite a lot of pinks, but for nudes they only have 2 shades. One is called Everyday Nude and the other one is called Confident Women, which is a deeper nude, deeper rusty sort of a nude. And coming to the packaging, they come in this kind of like a black color component, and the shade name is written right at the bottom, and they have like a color coded sticker pasted right at the bottom. So if you have more than one lipstick, you can store it upside down and you can see which shade you want to use for the day. And I would say that the packaging is very flimsy, you guys. For example, the shade called Everyday Nude, most of the lipstick bullets are like this. Okay, if you twist it all the way up, it's gonna screw up the packaging and it's gonna ruin the lipstick. And also this keeps like rotating. I'm not sure if you can see, this keeps rotating, and when I go to apply this, it just gets pushed down and it won't go back as smooth as you would like it to be, and it's very flimsy. I really don't like the packaging. Maybe the formula is like that. It's like buttery, smooth and pigmented, and it glides so well, and because of the formula, the bullet is not able to hold the lipstick. So maybe if they had put it in a wooden sort of a lip crayon kind of a pencil, like the Faces lip crayon and stuff, it would have held the formulation better. Bullet lipstick was a bad choice for this type of a formulation. Now coming to the formulation of these lipsticks, these glide on like butter. Okay, once you apply it, it's like very smooth, very pigmented. It glides on like butter, and within a minute it kind of sets matte like a liquid lipstick would do. Like you can see, it's transfer proof, nothing will get transferred, but throughout the day when you wear it, it kind of fades off right like here in the inner portion. I wore like 3 to 4 shades. I guess I didn't wear just one shade, which is Confident Women. All other shades I have tried out for an entire day, and all of these did kind of fade like right in the inner part. Some shades, like the shade called Dance Party, I guess it's called Dance Party. Yeah, it's called Dance Party, and that faded completely, and just like outer line of my lips was left. But rest of the shades, it did fade away like here, because it's like a little bit of a powdery kind of a really matte texture, and that is why that fading happens. Nonetheless, you can reapply it, and within a minute it's gonna set matte, and it's gonna match up to the rest of the lipstick that you already have on. So that's about the formulation and the lasting power of these lipsticks. Yeah, coming to the comfort, it's quite comfortable. It's not too comfortable. It is a little bit drying. It is a matte lipstick. It's gonna be drying if it's not drying, then it's not gonna stay for long. If it stays for long, it's gonna be a little bit drying. So yeah, I don't mind that. It's not very dehydrating or anything, it's just a little bit drying. So yeah, with that we come to the end of the review bit of it. I'm going to insert swatches with makeup, without makeup, hand swatches, all of those things. I have 5 shades. I'm going to tell you what shades I have. I have the shades Everyday Nude, Confident Woman, Dance Party, Job Interview, and Formal Day. The only shade which was a little bit patchy is Formal Day. It's a very deep purple shade. That was a little bit patchy. Apart from that, other lipsticks I do really love. The lipstick that I have currently on my lips is the shade called Everyday Nude, a very beautiful peachy nude shade. And yeah, let's move on to the swatches and we'll wrap up this video. So those were the swatches. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you found the swatches useful in some way in deciding whether or not to purchase these lipsticks or these shades. And yeah, if you want me to make any more lipstick related videos, any more lipstick reviews, please comment down below, comment down your suggestions. And if you have any appreciations for me with respect to my content, then I would love that. And if you also have any criticism, any constructive criticism, I would love to read those comments and improve myself as well. So yeah, with that we come to the end of this video, and take care, tata, bye bye.